Cryptocurrency markets work 24 hours, 7 days a week. Basically, it's always moving, it always changes, and it always fluctuates. And investing means that we have to take into consideration the timing of trading based on these current trends. The problem is, we are not robots who don't sleep. That's why we sometimes miss great trading opportunities at some point. The good thing is, even if we are not robots, we can transfer this responsibility to robots or crypto trading bots specifically. Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. This is Chat Confirmed, bringing you the hottest news in the crypto world. For today's video, I will enlighten you about crypto trading bots, the pros and cons of using them, and we'll see its side-by-side comparison with other trading bots. According to Lana Alibabig, crypto trading bots use technology like artificial intelligence and machine learning to collect big data and analyze it. It works by predicting trends and monitors price fluctuation with the sole purpose of generating profits. Basically, while you eat, sleep, take a bath, or work, crypto trading bots are the ones who do the investing for you. It's very easy to use, making it convenient to investors even without the knowledge of programming. To utilize a crypto trading bot, you must use an API or application program interface to link it to a cryptocurrency exchange account. Essentially, this API enables your trading bots to execute transactions at the exchange automatically with an extent you set. Now that you're familiar with what a trading bot is, let us identify some of its pros and cons. First is its efficiency. With trading bots, there is no room for human mistake when exact setups and techniques are in place. The entire trading procedure is simplified when the time-consuming tasks are handled by an efficient bot. 2. Profit generation. Trading bots can help you generate huge profits or leave you in losses. The approach that a bot employs has a direct bearing on its profitability. In the end, there is no such thing as an ideal approach. Much of this comes down to a user-specific situation and how they want to use their bot. 3. Managing risks by backtesting. A bot's risk management strategy is to allow for backtesting of strategies. In other words, you don't have to risk any of your own money in order to see if your plan works. Backtesting makes use of asset historical data. The final pro is the bot's lack of emotion. The emotionless nature is very significant in terms of objectivity and not letting feelings run the decisions. It gives the bot the ability to make judgments based on only hard data. Profits may be made by making reasonable and rational judgments. Despite their numerous benefits, crypto trading bots also have disadvantages, such as bots might get confused, especially when we are in a highly unpredictable market. It can also cause further losses if there is a malfunction in its programming. Lastly, always be vigilant because of how common scams are. Putting your trust into a computer program and letting them control your account gives you more exposure to hackers or scammers that might compromise your private data. Cybercrimes are never out of the equation as it is often prevalent in the crypto world. However, there is a silver lining in this situation. The fact that you can configure API permissions is probably a good idea to restrict bots trading in cryptocurrencies to the capacity to place orders and purchase or sell, but not to start a withdrawal. Is crypto trading bot something you're likely to consider? I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you know someone interested in this video, then share this link for them to watch. Now, let's move on to the main point of the video and introduce you to the top 5 crypto trading bots that I'd like to recommend. For number 5, this is where TradeSanta comes in. To build better trading results, there are particular tools and features that each has its own great quality and purpose. Some of these are spot and futures trading, which creates bots that work both in spot and in the futures market, capitalizing on trading with leverage. Here, We also have a risk management feature that minimizes risks in unfavorable market conditions through the use of stop loss, trailing stop loss, and stop signals from TradingView. There are also specific preset bot templates that you can choose from or build your own customized strategy from scratch. In terms of pricing, they offer a 5-day free trial, but when it expires, you still have access to the free version. The paid version ranges from $15 a month to $35 a month. The only drawback here at TradeSanta is that it doesn't support high liquidity and decentralized exchanges, and it's not open source. To begin with, this is an excellent place to begin if you're new to the world of crypto bots. For the fourth placer, it will be Shrimpy. Shrimpy is the one place you can connect all your wallet and exchanges, as well as to manage your entire portfolio through a single portal and monitor the market in real time. It also has backtest strategies in order to construct the most accurate strategy profiles in the market. Speaking of strategies, Shrimpy also gives you the capability to copy strategies from the best traders in the market, giving you a higher chance of returns. You can further optimize your portfolio through automating a strategy that has been trusted to reduce risk and improve performance. Furthermore, you can manage your portfolios all in one place, creating dynamic indexes that track the DeFi market and set portfolio stop losses. All these features work hand in hand to make Shrimpy an incredible trading bot. For a start, you can buy this at $15 a month with all these perks available and accessible to you. I'd say it's worth it. If you're a professional or an enterprise, then the prices are much more expensive at about $63 to $299 respectively. What I don't like about Shrimpy is how it's not open source, so you'll have to rely on the hundreds of individuals using it to verify that the code is safe. For the third spot, we have Gunbot. What sets Gunbot apart from the other bots are the innovative strategies, speed, extreme flexibility, and awesome user community. No personal information is collected by Gunbot, making it one of the most secure trading bots on the market. This is not a cloud-based bot like many others. It also has no limits for power users, having unlimited bot instances and automated configuration changes. Gunbot does not restrain you from what you can and cannot do. Now, Gunbot is pretty unique when it comes to their pricing. It is unlike the rest that is often paid monthly or yearly or just around the subscription basis. Gunbot offers a one-time license fee that starts at $9.99. You can also buy using crypto, and this gives you a 50% off on the standard, pro, and ultimate plans. I've got Crypto Hopper at number 2 on my list. With this bot, you don't need to be a coder to get access to high-quality trading tools. A wide variety of trading templates, methods, and signals are available in the Crypto Hopper marketplace. Some of its easy features including automatic trading, social trading, trailing orders, and dollar cost averaging. In professional setups, there are features such as AI trading and lets your bot learn and decide by itself, backtesting to see how you would have performed, and strategy designer to create your trading algorithms easily. You can access Crypto Hopper on mobile devices as well, making it much easier to use wherever you are. With the inclusion of 20 positions, portfolio management, manual trading, and all available exchanges, you can avail the Pioneer plan for free. The rest of the plan ranges from $16 to $83, with additional perks such as more positions, market arbitrage, and algorithm intelligence. And finally, occupying the first spot is 3 commas. With over 120,000 users and $60 million in trade volume every day, 3 commas is one of the most popular crypto trading bots around, and obviously has a great reputation among traders. 3 commas provides you with a wide range of options. 3 commas offer 4 main packages. They range from the free junior plan up to the top tier $49 a month pro plan. So there you have it, my selection of the greatest cryptocurrency trading bots available. It's important to note that crypto trading bots will not make you an instant millionaire. However, if utilized correctly, they can provide you with the skills necessary to become a better trader using the innovative features unique to each crypto trading bot. That's all for today. If you learned something new, like this video and make sure you hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our uploads. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on this video. Kindly subscribe if you haven't already. This is Chad Confirmed, signing off.